Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to invite a member to a Trello board. So if you're working with Trello and you want to collaborate with others and you want to invite them to your boards, it's very easy to do. So you want to first and foremost ensure that you have your board open, and then on the left hand side you want to click on members, and you also see a little plus there towards the right side. You click on that, guys, and you can easily enter the email address here of whosoever you want to add. You can send them a little note and you can click and send invite. Another way is by clicking fully on the members, and it's going to really open up this whole section here where you can click again to invite. So you can simply say, I want to invite this person to a workspace. Click on that, you enter the email address, right? That's another way. Another way is by simply giving someone the link. So if you click on this, you can simply copy the link, you share with them, and they're able to do that, are able to be a part of this. Keep in mind that afterwards when you invite them, you can always disable the link, you can always remove those members afterwards. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to simply go through the process of adding someone by copying the email address. So let me go ahead and copy a quick email address here, and I'm going to fill it in. So again, we invite them to a workspace, we enter the email address, right? We can see that, we can say join me. I'm going to type the word join me here and just simple send it, and you will see how quickly it's going to add that person, right? So it's very easy, and you can see right here it shows that this is a pending request, the person have not yet accepted. So I'm going to jump over to that second account, go to the email, and you will see what that email invite looks like. So here you can see it says Drew invite you to Trello board, right? And you can see right here that there is a note. You can see that it says go to the workspace, right? And you can simply go ahead and click that, and it's going to take them over, right? So here immediately you can see it says that they would need to log in. If they have Trello, they can get Trello for free. So here you want to simply have them sign up, so they will go through the process of quickly sign up, right? And again, they can quickly enter their name and they can create a password and so forth, right? So another way they can do this is if they create their own Trello with their own Gmail, so they can get an Atlassian account. So that's very easy. But in this case, let's go ahead and just enter something. So I'm going to call this one Drew as well, and I'm going to create an email, a password or something here. So I'm going to say create a password here. Let's do that and click and continue here, right? So it's going to quickly, I'm going to say never mind. And here you can see, let me close this window here. So I'm going to quickly choose the option here, guys, to get a Trello for free. I'm going to sign in with the Gmail here real quick. I'm going to continue here. And you will see quickly that I easily get in the Trello, right? So you can see quickly that I've been invited into the Trello, and you can see here that I even have the MySpace. So that's where it is. So that's how easy it is. Now, what's going to happen now is when I go back to my other account, guys, you can see right here that this person, now if I'm going to quickly refresh, you will see now that that person actually is added here, and you can see that they have access to the board and so forth. So it's very easy now you can see that they have access to the board and they can view the board, right? So it depends on what I want to show them now. So if I go back here, you can see that there's the space there, and I can click, you can see, and this is the board. You can see that this is the board. I can click on it, and you can see that, yeah, about the board and okay, and they have access to the board just as is, right? So that's how it is, guys. Now let me jump back here to my other account, and as you can see here that I can always go ahead and switch them to admin or whatever I want to do. So it's really up to me, and that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. And that's how you go ahead and invite someone to Trello.